Checkers Guard Dog cable protectors ensure a safer crossing for vehicles and pedestrian traffic while protecting electrical cables and hose lines from damage. They are ideal for use in most public, commercial, industrial, construction, and utility applications. Solid polyurethane all-weather construction is durable and up to 75% lighter than rubber, so they're easier to handle and less costly to ship. Available models range from lightest pedestrian traffic up to 136,000 pounds max load, which may include various mining support, utility, and over-the-road trucks and trailers. Choose from 1, 2, 3, or 5 channel systems. Using the 2-channel protector bridge, you can increase capacity to an infinite number of channels while maintaining a seamless top surface. Besides the number of channels, consider also external cable diameter when selecting a cable protector system. The interlocking design extends protection at any length by connecting multiple protector units. We also offer accessories, including 45-degree turns, 4-way crosses, and end caps. The patented 5-bar tread surface provides maximum traction and less slip for pedestrians. The reinforced hinge lid design allows for easy cable or hose placement and management within the system for 360 degrees of protection. We also offer ADA-compliant models. Additionally, ADA ramp and rail accessories can be adopted to 5 or 3-channel and drop-over channel classic Guard Dog cable protector to make it ADA-compliant. Guard Dog is also available in low-profile design with less than 2 inches of height. As the manufacturer, Checkers can emboss your company's logo into the lid or provide custom colors.